Hello everybody and welcome back to the Pastelle Cloud. It's been a little time. I've been doing a lot of stuff. You've been doing a lot of stuff. We're gonna put that all under the bridge and we're just gonna do a cool haul today. I'm really excited just to kind of go through a fun little haul from one of my favorite artists and creators. So if you want to see more content like this, subscribe, I guess, and we'll pretty much get right into it. There's another video coming super soon, which I've been working on for a little while, which is all about basically like a vlog, I guess, of a cute little adventure that I went on, and I really want to kind of share that with you and share that with everyone. So yes, we're gonna do that. So keep watching. Alright, so got my package. I literally got it in the post probably about an hour ago. As you can see, I'll show you. Chao sticker on it. This means it's from Chao. I'm so excited, it's gonna be amazing. So Chao had a restock recently on her shop, and I wanted to kind of buy a few pieces that I've been looking to get for a little while. So when I was at the convention, I got this hat, cute. It says Chronic Cutie on it, and I also have, where is it? Where's the pin? Is it this one? This one. I also got this cute little sleepy pin, little moon, very cute. So I got that whilst I was at MCM, and ever since I went, I regretted not picking up a few pieces. So when she did the restock, obviously I had to get a fair amount of things. If you don't follow Chao, Chao is a independent artist who does kind of Monster Girl inspired stuff, anime inspired stuff, yokai inspired things, and it's just a really overall cool artist. They stream on Twitch and I watch pretty much all of their streams, so you'll be able to see me in the chat occasionally if you go visit. I recommend going to chill out in Chao's chat if you're having like a rough day. The best. Just so calming and loving and positive. Just so good. So we're just gonna get into it now, but I'm very excited. Yeah. So this one's actually packed by Liz. Oh my god, that's adorable. Look. This one's packed by Liz, Zombie Octopus, who is another creator that I really love. I don't have any of their stuff because I keep on missing them every time I go to MCM, and I really want to order stuff from their shop, but I just don't know what. So yes, they have really, really cool stuff too. We're gonna just open up the wrapping. So, oh god, I don't want to rip the. Oh no, I hate ripping. Oh no, disaster has struck us. Oh no, oh wow, isn't that beautifully presented? Can I, oh my god, I don't know if I can I want to show you the presentation. Look how beautiful this is! This is beautiful! This is beautiful! There's so much here. There's so much here. I'm so proud of it. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Oh, sorry you can't see. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so are you ready for the actual contents? Because so first things first, leaflet. Very cute, has all of their really cute designs and what they do on Twitch on it. And it says, "Thank you. You've supported a small business, which is incredible. You are amazing. Want to treat yourself to exclusive stickers and prints each month? Join my Kawaii Mail Club on Patreon to get themed goodies right to your door." I would really love to join the Patreon. The main issue that I have is that I don't know how or where I would put all the prints, because each month, is it something like that, the prints come out, and it's like I really want them but I have nowhere to put them, and I have no wall space. So at the moment we are moving house. As you can see, this is a different area. This is a snake enclosure. It's all happening. I'm moving, so it's difficult to find space for things. But as soon as I do, as soon as I have a plan in place, we may do some exclusive Patreon goodness. Tell me in the comments below, would you like to see me unbox exclusive goodies from Patreon? Amazing. Okay, do we want the big thing first? Do we want the little things first? Let's go with the little things first. So first thing, little pin. As you may know, I'm obsessed with enamel pins. You can kind of tell. But yeah, this is one that I should have picked up at the convention and I didn't, and I wish I had. It's a little sleepy Chao. What's a my? But this is adorable. So cute. Oh, what a baby. But it matches my little moon pin. But they match. So this will probably go on this hat. Or maybe something else. I'll show you in a minute. But yes, that's so cool. I love the backing. Wait. The back of the pins have little clouds. I can't. Baby. And then the next one I want to get, because again, spooky season is coming. So goes a little planche. Super cute. It says hello, goodbye, and it's got my favorite color pink on it. This is what it looks like. I need to line stuff up in frame. How cool is it though? But you can kind of see it's like shiny in places. But I really wish that the lighting wasn't so crap. I need to buy something to make the lighting less crap. Oh, so cute. And again, the backing board on it has like little alphabets. It's like a little Ouija board in itself. That's so cool. That's so cool. Ah! And then finally, my last pin. Now, I was not expecting this to be so big. Holy man. Like, I'm used to pins like maybe this size. I was expecting this one to be this size, my Dumb Bee Juice pen size. What is this? What is this? I'm delighted. I'm amused. She looks incredible. Would ask to be my girlfriend any and every day of the week. Adorable little Amai. Oh my goodness. So cute. Oh, baby. I'm gonna have to find a really special place for her. I may have to put her on a backpack or even on my Juicy Couture bag, which is a very special bag. So, may have to do that. She's too pretty! Ah! Okay, and then finally, oh, wait, what's this? What's this? Oh, it's okay, it's just her card. I was freaking out. I was like, why is there like a hard thing inside of the hat? What's going on? It's just her business card. How cute. Cute. Oh, adorable, adorable. I want to see more of like Amai stuff. I love Amai. And then finally, this is one of the hats I've been wanting to get a hold of for fucking ages. Here it is. The little pink beanie with the little chomp chomps. The chomp chomps with the hearts. Stop! Literally. Ugh, disgusting how beautiful it is. Oh, you make me sick. Oh, and it's the same. So it's the same brand as this hat. I recommend because they are so comfortable. They're great to wear during these kind of weird couple of weeks. I've been really struggling with like social stuff. Let me tell you, putting a little hat on your head and making you feel happy because you've got a cute little hat on your head, it does things. It does things to you. It makes wonders happen. Makes dreams come true. This is adorable. Oh my goodness. The stitching is just incredible. Look at that. I expect absolutely no less from Chao. All of their stuff is incredible quality for what you're paying. It's just absolutely insane, and I wish so many people would just go and buy her stuff because it's just so cool. Oh my goodness me. Okay, well, that looks like that's everything inside of the package. I'm gonna arrange it so you guys can see what we got. It doesn't look like the biggest haul ever, but it's actually a decent haul, I guess, and it completes the collection for me. So now, officially, I have pretty much every Chao pin. I even have really old pins of Chao's, the little whale sharks, which I actually keep in a very special box because the backs fall off them. So I have to be a little bit careful with them. That's my own fault. I'm really rough with my pins. So these little enamely pins do suit me so much better. All right, there we go. Oh no, they've sunk inside the hat. Wait, let's hold them up. Get them up in the air. Oh, yes. Present. Oh, so beautiful. They are absolutely stunning, and I cannot say, how cool they are in real life. I wish the camera would pick up how cool they are in real life. Again, thank you so much to Chao for being an amazing person and an incredible artist and sharing that art with the world, because honestly, you are making my days just so much better. I love it. And I think that's pretty much everything that we want to do today and chat about today. Is everybody good? Is everyone alright? Did you have a good week? I hope you had a good week. It's difficult out there, like everything's kind of going on all at once, and I want to sit and have a chat with everybody, check in, make sure everyone's good, comfy, cozy, kawaii vibes, bimbo vibes. Otherwise, that's it, I think. Thank you so much for coming over, and we'll do a little outro now, a little slut. Pretty good. Hydrate today, friends. Alright, thank you all so much for coming today and for coming back to the channel. I know it's been what seems like dead. Is it a zombie? Ooh woo. Zombie for Halloween. Zombie channel. Let's do it. I think we want to try and revive this. I say this every time. I think I will make videos when I feel like making videos, and I hope that people enjoy them. I think that's the main thing, really. If you want to check out a few of the other things that I'm up to and I'm doing, you can check out Princess Pinku here on YouTube. I have a little advert up for a shop that I'm running for VTubers, because I'm a VTuber in my spare time, if you did not know. So yes, please go watch things like that. Go have a look at them if you enjoy that kind of content. If you don't, come stay here for the cute hauls and odd little things that I chat about. So yeah, we're going to be doing a Juicy Couture haul soon, as I've been collecting Juicy Couture. So we're going to be doing that. We have the big vlog coming out soon as well. I have another haul from our favourite people, Pinku Cult. I also wanted to do a review on the Cosmic Boop game, Floofy's Adventure. Whether I will or not, I don't know. And I also wanted to do a review on Juicy Couture's Spring Summer collection. And of course, now that the autumn is out, the fall collection, I also want to do a review on that. So if you're looking for any of that stuff, come on over, come say hi, come say hello, become a Cloud member. We accept anyone and everyone. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you again super duper soon, and hopefully you'll see this little hat in another video. That would be really nice. So yeah, have a fantastic day. We will see you soon. Stay strong, stay important, stay lovely. Goodbye. Thank you. Bye.